So let's talk about if Bitcoin is going to crash anytime soon because of the Israeli-Hamas war. Now, bottom line, point blank, the horror and the horrific events that are taking place there and the loss of life are cataclysmic. And my heart goes out to those affected. And if you're looking at the financial impact of the Israeli-Hamas war and you're looking at how that's going to play out, I'm going to talk to you about history and the Russia-Ukraine war and that war's impact on BTC, on Bitcoin, on the price. We're going to talk about all that in this video, and I'm going to give you my opinion. But bottom line, any conflict, any war that has the potential to get larger and escalate, and this one certainly does, brings a lot of risk into crypto, stocks, all of the financial markets. But to answer the question, is the Israeli-Hamas war going to crash Bitcoin? We're going to look at a little bit of history here. And I'm going to point you to literally the most recent war we've had, the Russia-Ukraine war. And in that scenario, the day that war broke out, the day that Russia invaded, Bitcoin dropped 8% in one day. It's a lot. But it literally bounced back within 36 hours and regained its normal level and effectively moved on. Well, Austin, Bitcoin's been down since early 2022. I agree. And all of the major altcoins have been as well. But if you're looking at the pure kind of financial fallout of the war in Russia and Ukraine, really was not a tremendous impact. Now, again, I'm not talking about the loss of life and all of those variables, which again are cataclysmic, are horrible, shouldn't happen, all those things. I'm just simply talking about the pure financial aspect of it. What really drove the price of Bitcoin and all major altcoins from, down from that first quarter of 2022 was global worldwide inflation and the impact of that on the financial markets and the uncertainty and the risk and all of the fallout from that and the 11 plus Federal Reserve interest rate hikes here in the United States of combating inflation. Was the war a part of it? Sure, but it wasn't the major scenario, the reason that it went down. So to answer the question, did the Russia-Ukraine war, the most recent war we've had in history, did it crash BTC? No, it didn't. Is the Israeli-Hamas war going to crash Bitcoin, going to crash BTC? In my opinion, no, it's not. And you simply have to look at history. Now, if we have a major escalation event, i.e. some type of a nuclear weapon is discharged, that is all hands are off in that regard. All bets are off. All hands up, all hands are off. All bets are off in that scenario. Hopefully, God willing, that will not happen. And I'm talking about the loss of life. Don't want that. The loss of everything, all of that. But again, I'm talking about just the crypto market. So no, I don't think that we will see the crash of Bitcoin due to the Israeli-Hamas war. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. Would love to hear your opinion. That's all I got for you right now. But, by the way, I do have a trading indicator down in the link description below. It's mine. I built it, had it commissioned for you guys to help you know when to buy and when to sell. I just recently used it to make a $240 profit on a small trade with Solana. I've talked about that. I did a video on that earlier today. It's here on my channel if you want to go check it out. I'm using it to buy and sell stocks. And really what it comes down to, I'm using it to know when to buy because my software will tell you, momentum up, i.e. buy now, and then it'll give me a sell alert. And I have notifications set up to come to this device, my phone. And so I know when to buy and when to sell any particular asset, any crypto I want, any stock I want. I've been buying and selling Apple, Tesla, Amazon, a couple of other major stocks as well. Been using my software to do that. Links in the description below. There's a discount code down there that basically makes my software about $1 a day, and that's less than you spend on a cup of coffee. I have a 30-day no questions asked refund guarantee. So check it out. If you click on that link below, you go to the website, there's a couple minute video you can see on the homepage how it works and what it does and all that kind of stuff. And again, Discount code down there. About $1 a day is what it costs you to use my software. I'm going to tell you, it'll make you way more than that if you just simply use it. On the thank you page after you join, I have a step-by-step tutorial, 5 or 6, 7 videos that walk you through. You're up and running in less than 10 minutes. You can use my software on any device globally, worldwide, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So take it for a test drive, 30-day, no questions asked, refund policy. So you have zero risk in this scenario. All right, I'll see you.